the level to close it.
Okay.
Right?
Say that. Oh, sorry.
That's for the drain. See, the door won't close without closing it.
Oh, okay.
And when you're draining it, this comes up, but we'll go through that later.
Okay.
Put your arm down.
Do we have to put soap in there first?
Nope.
No.
All the soap's all
Automatically
automatic.
fit.
Oh,
Rinse
okay.
and soap. It comes.
It's all down there. It's all set up.
Oh, wow.
This is the on button.
Yep. And then it fills and puts soap in and then runs.
So do we have to pre-turn it on or anything, or just push it and it works? It works. And then when it's done, we don't shut anything off? I'll show you. Okay, yeah, all right.
So this. Run for 1 minute after it fills. It's a minute cycle. If you have eggs, cheese, or something that's going to bake on, you can set it for 2 minutes or 4 minutes.
Oh, okay. Yep.
But normally you would want 1 minute. Yeah.
So right now it's washing.
No.
It's filling.
Oh, okay,
It will
that's what I
stop.
meant. Okay, that's
Yeah.
what I meant. Okay. So we're filling it right now.
And if you open it, if you want to put something else in, you shouldn't open it, but if you do, just open it a crack or you will have a shower. It will.
Right.
And will it stop then? Like if you open it a crack?
Yeah.
I don't see any
That's
reason to
not-
do that.
No. There's no water all the way down the back, on the floor. Yeah. Mark did that and he had a shower. Now, she's suggesting health units. Suggesting to run it through 3 times till it gets up to temperature. Okay, you're washing now. It's not up to temperature. Okay,
Now
now.
the rinse.
Oh, yeah, hold on.
See your temperature going up?
Yeah.
Enough, but it's not up where it's supposed to be.
Supposed to be a 180.
Yep. Almost.
178, so that's why you got to run 3 blanks.
Got it. Wash water stays.
He's a retired chef.
Your wash water stays. Your rinse water refills. Which means it's censored that if there's scum or grease or anything, it floats off the wash water, and your rinse water is fresh water from the
There you go, yeah.
Yeah.
So my question is, if we start the machine, we fill it, we run 3 to bring it up
Yeah.
to temperature, do we have to do it again? Like, say we don't use the
No.
machine for half an hour.
No.
No, there's a heater in it, so it will.
So it's good to go. So
Yeah.
we can start it off when we
Yeah.
get here,
Yeah.
even though we're not doing dishes for another 45 minutes or something?
Well, you just look at your temperatures, like, just glance
You might have
down
to
at your
run one
temperature.
blank.
You might have to run one.
Just to bring that rinse up. Depends on how cold
Yeah.
the church is.
Yeah, exactly. This rack comes right out for me.
Yep.
It just hooks on these
Yep.
two little rings there.
Yep.
Whoever put this on. This comes right off.
Right?
We had an in-service from Hobart, and he said, make sure you take this off and...
Spray it out.
Yeah, because he
Yep.
said food will get into that. So,
Yep, good.
spray out. This basket comes right out
Yep.
to empty out.
That's where everything should end up,
Yes.
in theory.
And this comes out. If there's any food particles.
Yeah.
And he said, make sure you look down there. Now, I can't reach, but we'll have to get something if there's food goes down there. He said it really shouldn't, but...
Yeah, what is it? Is it? Oh, it's a drain right
Drain.
there. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. It shouldn't get through.
But he said, we don't want food
Into the tank.
tank.
No.
Anyway, so that goes back on. This goes back in.
Yeah.
This goes back on. And he said, yes, just tight. Not that you can't get it off, just tight. Snug.
Yep. Very nice.
Just snug. Now, this goes back in.
Perfect.
So,
Very nice. Very nice.
okay, this is the off button, red.
Right.
Off,
And there's the drain.
drain.
Here we go.
That's all there is to it.
Excellent. Very nice.